Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another slay. So I didn't give y'all Monday and Wednesday's video, and that's because I was waiting on some stuff to come. I just really got frustrated because I couldn't figure out what the fuck was wrong with my lens, y'all. I was like, damn, I just bought this lens, and I swear nothing. I was about to have a heart attack. Yo, I got so scared. I am not into, well, I like it now, but I'm not into sandwich looks because I have a hard time doing them. So you will see in the tutorial how I achieved this sandwich look, y'all. I was like trying to debate, do this sandwich look or should I cut this crease? But I really like it. I like the way it came out. I like the color choice. And I gotta stop looking. I gotta look at the lens because I'm talking to y'all. What was I saying? Actually ready to set my vlogging camera up. You know, in the description below if y'all like the look, if y'all like the new setting, y'all like the new, just like y'all like the new everything. You know, if y'all want to know more about this camera, I am going to be doing vlogs with this one. I probably might vlog tomorrow. I'm just really rambling right now. If y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So let's get started. I haven't recorded a video for Monday or Wednesday. So y'all already know I record Mondays, Wednesday, and Friday. So this is Friday's video. However, I was waiting for my new equipment to come in. As you can see, I have a new lens. I'm trying to stay in focus. I'm trying to stay in the exact position that I'm in, because if I move back a little bit or up, well, if I move up just a little bit, I'm either out of focus, and this is because this lens is a 1.2 aperture. Went ahead and I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel. You know how y'all like the mic as well. Sit into my brows. I have no more pencils. I did order 2 more of these and they're coming tomorrow. I'm going to use Covergirl soft brown, and I'm going to use that at the end. Gotta get out of the box because sometimes I will stick to like the same looks. The end of the brow. I'm not going to finish the whole brow on camera, y'all, because I do have a brow tutorial and I will link it right here. On my eyes now are the Plouise Bases in the shade number 6 and number 3. Before you start applying shadow, make sure your base is actually creaseless. Go to my Giorgio palette, and I'm gonna grab this purple out of the Giorgio palette. I'm to take my makeup addiction brush, y'all. Y'all already know which brush this is. This is the medium shader brush. I like to go a little high because I like to come out cut high. So celebrate! That is so cute already. All right, so I'm gonna wipe this off, the blue off, and I'm going back in with the purple. Or you can absolutely keep the blue in there and flip the side and put the purple on that side. I'll go into the Carnival Palette. I want to go into the Carnival Palette, and I want to grab in Lust. I'm going to put that right on top of that purple. I'm taking a E17 brush, and what you're going to do is you're going to pack that color on top of the purple. Don't stay low, because if you want to pack more colors on, you'll have that choice to pack more colors on. So just pack this on top of the purple. I'm going to start right in the middle. I'm going to stay in the middle. You see how I have it's about to run out of space, so I'm trying to stay as low as possible with this one. Like this blue right here is called Make Waves, y'all. Make Waves. And then that green. So make sure you stay low just a little bit. I'm going in with a different blue. Sorry. I'm going in with Soft Sport. Alright, y'all. So I'm going in back into this palette, and I'm going to grab this green right here. I'm going to grab it. I'm going to take it on a Morphe 535 brush because it's fluffy, and what it's going to do is going to diffuse it. basically already in the shape of me about to cut it, you know, like the middle part. I want to go back into each of these colors that I applied, and what I want to do is I am going to intensify each color so we can cut. I think we're good. Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take either one of these. You can take some makeup remover and grab grab Q-tips to do the middle, or you can grab Vaseline. The Vaseline trick is really good, but I don't know, you really have to get all the Vaseline off, because if not, you know, Vaseline is oily, so it's gonna be So for the base, I'm gonna go on with white. Also, so the colors can pop. Doing it is basically trying to make the middle part sharp, just like that. So you don't want it to look like a cut only in the middle part. You want it to look like a cut. I haven't did it in so long, so it's just like, damn. I'm good. I'm proud of myself, y'all. See this look. Going in with the lime green, but I'm gonna stay back with the lime green on both sides. I'm gonna go back in with the purple. Back, don't go all the way, because then you're gonna cover the green and gotta add some more. So just stay back and just pat it, and go up. Start from the back. Y'all gonna know when y'all start really keep doing makeup. Some stuff you ain't gonna like, some stuff you gonna like. I patted the white out, so I'm gonna add this white out of the James Charles palette. You can always go back on top of the green. Okay, so y'all see that? Oh, pretty. Make sure it's blended and like you want it. I'm gonna take Pyro. This is a heavy metal metallic, just so that I can have something for white diamond to stick to. It'll stick, but you know. The same brush. Just getting messy with it, you know? Have it on top of the green so that it can all blend together. Yeah, see that sparkle? That's definitely sparkle. So I think I'm gonna take Violet Voss Cosmetics glitter in the shade Wendy, and then also the shade Siren Fantasy. I think I'm gonna take my lash glue for this, y'all. Oh my god. Combo and then like how it's glistening. Yo, I don't know if y'all can see that. Take Wet n Wild liquid liner. So I'm gonna put some black just on the outer parts of the liner, because I want the liner to blend. This pandemic is crazy though. Like, how y'all feel about this? Dude said that he thinks that it's like a population control. Like, they just trying to kill off people because getting overpopulated. I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. Do y'all think that's true? I want to know. Because it do sound kind of shoe though. Oh my god, all this time I was talking and I did not press the record button. Man, what the heck. So I am just basically adding my two foundations, Macoa and then New Caledonia, but mixed with a little bit of 11.5 Giorgio Armani Silk Foundation. This is New Caledonia, Macoa under my eyes. I'm taking two Nars. I'm fancy today, y'all. Fancy today. Light 3 honey and then caramel. Oh, so pretty. My face is like flawless right now. Flawless. I like to let that sit. Go ahead and take my Colourpop foundation stick in the shade 210 Deep Dark. Nose, I'm gonna go in with my E11 brush. While I let that nose still marinate, okay, I'm gonna take my Real Techniques 405 brush, and I'm just going to pat this upward. I want my cheeks to be warm. A 01 brush, and this is from Real Techniques, because powders I'm going to go in with Sacha Buttercup. I already know I'm going in with my MAC. I'm going to bronze and then I'm going to add more to my shadows. Gotta hurry up because my microphone battery is getting low. So I want to add my neon green at the bottom. Oh, that green is spicy. So this green was Limelight from Plouise. I think I'm gonna turn my mic off because it's getting low. I'm gonna do my under eyes and I'm gonna just let y'all watch. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And like I said, tell me what y'all think about this tutorial. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.